In this lesson, we'll incorporate the green screen in the stop motion animation. Open up the last name, first name StickBot Premiere Pro file. Hopefully you have the original that hasn't been exported and colorized, because I want to show you how to use the green screen. Go to the first image and let's zoom in. Click on that first image and make sure your effects search bar is here. If it's not, go to Window, Effects. Inside the effects, write the word Ultra and you'll see Ultra Key. Double click on that while you have the frame selected, and when you do that, it will pop up over here in the effects control panel. First thing I do is click on this drop down for settings and click on aggressive. The next thing I'll do is click on the eyedropper tool and then come over here and click on a green here. I don't want to go too dark, I don't want to go too light. Go right about here and click. If your computer asks you for permissions, give your computer permissions to do this. On the bottom of the Ultra key, we have matte generation. Let's open that up. Let's scroll down a little bit. Click on pedestal, and I always bring that all the way to the right to 100%. Let's click on matte cleanup. Let's bring the choke to 100. That cleans up all the lines around the figure. Now, we may have to go in there and play around with these settings again in other frames, but this looks good so far. Click on Ultra key, right click on it, and copy it. Click here and drag and select all of the other frames in the video, and then do a Command V to paste that onto all the other videos. And then press the play button to see if it works. All right, so in the background where the green is, it's all black now. We can't see anything. So we need to put something there. Let's move Premiere Pro over. Let's go into our assets folder. Let's go to the top where we have the clouds. We're gonna put the clouds underneath the frames here, but what we wanna do is bring the frames up one layer so we can put the clouds underneath it. Click on that movie and bring it in and put it underneath the frames. Notice the Adobe video is a little small for our needs, but we can make that bigger. Go into the effects control, click on scale, and drag that to the right to make it bigger. Now it's hard to see the refrigerator. Make sure that you're selecting the Clouds Adobe Stock.mov. Click on the Free Draw Bezier pen inside of the opacity. Click on that and it will make a mask. It hasn't made the mask yet, you're about to make the mask. Now we're just concerned with selecting the refrigerator area. Don't worry about the top up here. You're just learning how to do this. I'm gonna click here, and then I'm gonna click here, click here, click here, click here, click here, click down straight, click here, and then close that up. We can take this and drag it off the canvas area. We can drag this off the canvas area. We can drag this off the canvas area. Now it's showing in the area we don't want it to show in. Come over to the mask module and then click on the invert check mark here. And look at that, it shows in the background now. Click inside the timeline here to watch the video. So if you want to add green screen to your animation or any kind of video that you do, this technique could help you. I hope you enjoyed the StickBot tutorials.